Pretty good. Catching anything but a good buzz?
I am an adventurous myself.
You do YouTube or TikTok?
YouTube.
YouTube? What is it?
At Fernando's Drone. Yeah, Fernando's Drone.
If you want, man, walk around with it. You'll be in there like, hey, man. That's me, yeah. Yeah, subscribe. Are you catching anything? No?
Do you make jellyfish? Yeah, you make stickers?
Stickers?
Yeah.
I haven't even thought about it.
No, dolphins.
Delphi?
Delphine.
You know what I've heard of? Oh, no, I don't know her.
Oh, this is cute.
That's not.
Oh, right on. We let Delphine know that this is a beautiful place that she's got here.
Nando.
Yeah, Nando, Keys. And that's on Instagram at
This one?
I think so. I'm getting old, bro.
That's good.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can
How old do
see
you think I am?
30.
30?
40 something.
40 something?
42.
Right on, thank you, man.
That's really it?
Huh?
That's it?
No, I'm 54.
Oh.
Yeah, that's being a musician. Yeah, today I was like, I gotta go do something, and I've been eyeing that bridge for a long time. And then today, because it's been on my bucket list. There's actually a train coming this way, so I was about to launch. I was like, oh no. So I got a little bit on here as they were passing by. I flew out all the way over here, and then I went straight through the bridge that way.
You should have been here when they brought the big old steam engine.
Yeah, the biggest steam engine in the world.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
That
man.
was a couple months ago. It was
Oh.
We were sitting right up there just watching it.
Yeah? Well, that's awesome. What's everybody's name?
Aiden.
Aiden? Right there. Right there. Aiden.
I'm Carter.
Carter. Junior.
Charlie.
Charlie. Aiden. Carter. Junior. Charlie.
Yeah.
I'll never remember. But I have it on video, I think.
Wait, what's
Yes. Fernando.
Fernando.
De Los Santos.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Right on. Yeah. Yeah. You guys keep on being adventurous, man. You're lucky to be blessed with all this right here, man. I tell you that much.
Yeah, we had to use our brains because my spear fell on the water.
Oh, no way, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
That would say rest in peace.
yeah.
This one?
Let's see. I'm gonna try this again. Aiden, Carter, June.
This is Junior.
See, I
this
told
is
you I was gonna
Carter.
mess it up. Right.
Yeah.
Carter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Charlie. Yeah. You're Aiden. No,
I'm Carter.
You're Carter.
That's Aiden.
No, you're Fernando. Oh, wait a minute.
No,
just-
you're Fernando.
Oh, I'm Fernando. Oh, okay. No. How you doing? So. Okay. What a wonderful day today. Got something taken off my bucket list today, and that was crazy. That was crazy good. Oh, look at that. There's Buc-ee's right there. Melissa. Good old Buc-ee's. I flew my drone through a railroad bridge today. That was fantastic. A lot of fun. And that was right there on the border of Oklahoma and Texas, right there at the Red River. And I discovered a little RV park that was hidden, tucked away right there on the east side of the freeway 75. And I went down there and checked it out. That was pretty cool. Very, very clean place. Absolutely clean. And got to fly the drone down there a little bit more and did some little footage. And then these kids came up to me and asked me a whole bunch of questions. That was really cool. And oh, what a wonderful day today. It was absolutely great. Beautiful day. The weather is fine.
Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
What the heck? Sorry about that. I don't know, man. That's my way is talking to me. He's like, hey, I gotta cut that part out. Remind me to cut that part out. Cut that part out. Yeah. What a great day. It was beautiful.